Hey guys, welcome to my channel Urban Style. We are here again to give you another banger. So today I'm going to show you guys how I turn this attachment into. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned to the end. So now guys, I'll be using a cap, a black cap for it. I'll be placing my closure on it and then I'll be pinning it down. Make sure you put the closure on the net firmly, make it firm. So guys, I'll be pinning it down with a pin, so I'm just going to use a safety pin to hold it all around because I'll be sewing this on a sewing machine. So this is when I've sewed the closure. As you can see, I've sewed the closure and now I'll be using a chalk. Sorry, this video will be very fast. I'll be using a chalk to demarcate the place I'm going to place my weave on, and after that I'm going to sew it with a sewing machine. So now this is when I'm done sewing the weave on. So I'm going to cut it to give me the bright shape I want for this for the wig. I want a double draw shape, so I'm going to give it that shape. So I'll just go ahead and cut it in a nice shape I want. So I'll comb it out and still trim the edges, the down parts, to just give me the perfect shape I want. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you find this video teachable. And right now I'm going to pour a hot water. The water is hot. I'll pour it on the weavon just to give it the perfect look I want. Don't forget, I made this weavon and closure with an attachment, so that's why I'm pouring a hot water on it. So guys, after pouring a hot water on it, I'll blow dry it, or you let the weavon dry itself, or you spread it under a sun. So after that, I'll comb it out and I'll use a stretcher to stretch the hair to give it the perfect look I want. So guys, if you've not watched the way I made the weavon, just go back to my previous video and watch the way I made the weavon using an attachment, and the closure also as I use an attachment for it. So just go back guys and watch the way I ventilate my net closure, the lace closure, the close-up, and watch the video on how I made the weavon guys. So don't forget to subscribe if you find this video teachable. Like, subscribe, share, give it a thumbs up guys. So this is how the weavon looks after all the processing. You see how beautiful, lookable way it turns out. So guys, make sure you trim it very well. You see, I still go back to trim it to just give me that perfect look I want. So keep trimming. So this is how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and stay tuned to my next video. I'm going to give you guys back to back. Stay tuned to my next video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.